Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are doing wonders. I am Rashmi, welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. So, as we have already started with the series of how to find the cube of a number, we have seen two different cases when the number is of the type 1a. That means its tens digit should be 1. Okay, and the ones digit can be any of the digit out of 0 to 9, any of the digit can be there. The second case which we have seen A1. So I hope you all have practiced for both these cases. In today's class, we'll be discussing how are we going to find the cube of a number, which is this type of AA. That means both the digits are same. That means 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 55, likewise, till 99, 99, 99. Okay, so we will be looking to these type of numbers as well. But before we move ahead, I would just like to request you that please share my video to all your friends. If you are taking the benefit of all these shortcut methods which we are discussing here, please share it with your friends, relatives, and your family members. And of course, do like my video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button. So we will be in touch, and whatever the new videos I'll be posting, you will get the notification of it. Let's move to the next topic in which we have to find the cube of a number, but the number should be of these type of both the digits of the number are same. So let us begin with the format 1111 cube. So when we have to find the cube of 11, we all know the cube of 11, 1331. But how we will be exactly doing it when the digits are same? So we have a specific pattern here. We simply have to take the cube of both the digit. Okay, everywhere in four rows we will be writing. So first digit is 1, second digit is also 1. Everywhere we will write 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube, which is 1 only. Then here we have to write twice of this number. And here we have 1 cube, that means 1, and twice of 1. So this gives me 2, 2. When I add it, while adding it, we have to be taken care that in one column only one digit should come after doing addition. Rest of the thing will be carry forwarded to the next column. So 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3, and 1. 1331 is the cube of 11, right? So we found the cube of 11 by this method. Why are we applying this method and how it is actually working for us, that also we will be looking. So the general format for the number is AA. Both the digits are same. As I said before also, we have to write the cube of both the digits everywhere. First and the last column. Everywhere total 4 columns we have to make. Now excluding the first and the last one, we simply have to take the twice of the middle two numbers, middle two parts. Okay. Now we have to keep on adding it. While adding it, what we will be getting? A cube. This is 3a cube, but actually we have to write only one digit. Everywhere we have to write only one digit. Rest of the thing will be carry forwarded to the next column. Okay. So this is the pattern. This exact same pattern we got from the same formula a plus a whole cube. A plus b whole cube gives us a cube plus b cube at the end. In between we will be having 3a square multiplied by a. In place of b we have a only, plus 3a multiplied by b square. So this is going to give us a cube plus 3a cube plus 3a cube and a cube. Look, we exactly got the same answer with this formula a plus b whole cube. Only the thing is, in place of b, here we have a. So I hope you are easily able to relate all these, that how with this formula we got these a cube plus 3a cube plus 3a cube plus a cube. But we don't have to add all of them because everywhere we have a specific column that needs to be mentioned. So 4 terms are there, that is why we took 4 columns, and from each column we'll be keeping only one digit while adding, and then rest of the part will be carry forwarded to the next column. So let's take some examples here. We are going to begin with the example 22 cube. So as we discussed before, we have to write a cube, a cube, a cube, a cube. This question can be done in two ways. The one method which I am going to show here, that is as usual we are doing taking the twice of the middle part, excluding the first and the last one. So 2 cube is 8, 8, 8, 8. Now 8 twos are 16, here also 16 will come. Let's quickly add it. This gives me 8. 8 plus 16 is 24, carry over 2. Now this carry forward also we will be adding. 8 plus 16 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Right? So 26, 2 will be forwarded here and 6 will be written down. So 6 will come here. 8 plus 2 gives me 10. So the cube of 22 is 10,648. This is the cube of 22. That's how we did it. The same answer we can get with the help of the other method, where directly you can write it into this way: a cube, then this a cube plus 2a cube gives us 3a cube, because both the places we have the same digit. Here also it will be 3a cube, here a cube. Now how do we do this? 8, right? Now 2 cube is 8 multiplied by 3, 24. Here also 3 multiplied by 8. This can be done mentally or somewhere in the rough column if you are taking a lot of time. But these are the cube of the digits only. So it will not take much time. So this gives me 8, 24, 24, 8. Now what we have to do, we have to keep the last digit only once digit, and this 4 will come. This 2 will be forwarded here. 2 and 24 is 26. So 2 will be forwarded. So this way we will be getting the same answer 10648 with this method also. If your calculation is fast, and at the end you have to keep remember that you have to add also, keeping one digit in one column and forwarding the rest part to the next column, right? Let's move to the next example, 33 cube. I'll be showing you both the methods. First, by the method a cube, that means 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Exactly 27 will be writing everywhere in all 4 columns. Now we simply have to take twice of the middle numbers. 27 twice is 54. Here also it will be 54. Now out of this 2, 7, 27, we'll be keeping 7 below and forwarding this 2 to the next column. Okay. So 7 here. Now 27 plus 54 will be 81. 81 plus 2 is 83. So 3 will be written below and 8 will be carry forwarded to the next column. Now 27 plus 54 plus 8 is again going to give us 81. 81 plus 8 will be 89. So 9 I will be writing here. 8 I will be forwarding to the next column. Okay. Now 8 plus 27 gives me 35. So the cube of 33 is 35,937. I hope it is easy now, right? The another method which we did just now, a cube, 3a cube, 3a cube and a cube. What we'll be doing? A cube is 27. Now 27 multiplied by 3, we can do it somewhere in the rough work. 3 sevens are 21, carry over 2, 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. So 81, here also 81 and 27. So I'll keep this 7 here only. This 2 will be transferred here, forwarded here. Okay, so sorry. Yes. Now this 2 and 81 gives me 83. So 3 I'll keep here, 8 I will carry forward to the next column. This 8 plus 81 gives me 89. So 8 I will carry forward to the next column. Now 27 plus 8 gives me 35. So 35937, 35937. This is the cube of 33. I hope it is easy for all of us to apply it and to get the cube of any of the two-digit number. All the methods we have seen now. Okay. Let's move to the next example where we have to find the cube of 44. So whichever method is convenient to you, you can take the help of that method. What we have to do, we have to take the cube of 4. So 4 cube is 64. Everywhere I'll be writing 64. Now taking the twice of 64 in the middle values gives me 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. 128. Now 4 I will be keeping here only and 6 I will be forwarding to the next column, right? Now 4 plus 6 plus 8. This is 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So 8 I will keep and carry forwarding 1 here. So 1 plus 6 plus 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So I have written 9 now. What I'll be doing? I'll be adding this 9, 8, 4. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So 1 I will be writing below and 2 carry forwarded. Now 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 I will carry forward to the next column, right? Now 21 plus 64 gives me 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 2, 8. So 85,184 will be the cube of 44. It's pretty easy to find the cube of any number, especially in case when we have 1A, A1 and this one, AA. Both the digits are same. So everywhere we have seen the detailed scenario. Now it's your time to practice. And now should I give this as a homework? Yes. So finally for 55 you have to get the cube with this method. Next example which we'll be discussing here, 66 cube. So 6 cube is 6 6 are 36 and 216. Right? 36 multiplied by 6, 216. Everywhere I'll be writing 216, 216. I'll make 4 columns. So sorry, 216. Now I simply have to take twice of 216, which gives me 432. 16 twos are 32, 2 twos are 4. And this is also 432. Just let me write it properly. Yes. Okay. So I'll have enough space to do the calculation. 216, 216. Let's quickly add it. I'll be getting 6 from here, from this column, and this 21 I'll forward to the next column, 2, 1. Now, at the unit place of the second column, in the second place, 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. What I have to carry forward to the next column, which is 43 plus 21 plus 2. That means 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 with 4 plus 2, 6. 66. 43 plus 21 is going to give us 64. 64 plus 2 is 66. Let's quickly add the ones place here. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Carry over 1. Right? Now this carry forwarded, we will be adding 43 plus 21 plus 6 plus 1. 43 plus 21 is 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. 70 plus 1 is 71. Now let's add this 71 with 216, which is 287. So 2,87,496. is the cube of 66, right? What is the cube here? 2,87,496. You can cross check also. Let's move to the another example. We have to find the cube of 77. So for that, again we have to make four columns and we'll be writing a cube in each column. That means the cube of 7. And what is the cube of 7? Yes, it is 343. So let's quickly write 343, 343 everywhere in while making 4 columns. Okay. Now let's take twice of the middle values. That means excluding the first and the last one, we'll take 2 times of 343. So this gives us 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 686. Let's quickly add it, which is going to give me 3 here from the last column, and this 34 I will carry forward to the next column by writing it into this way. Okay. Now 4 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So carry over 1 I will be transferring to the next column. Now 34 plus 68. We can do it in the rough work as well. 34 plus 68 gives me 8 plus 4, 12, carry over 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Or you can do here only. So 102 plus 3 gives me 105, plus 1 gives me 106. So this 106 I will transport to the next column. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, yes, 15 plus 1, 16, right? Carry over 1. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So 106. Now 343, 686. We did here. 343, 686. But we have to only do the addition of the ones place. We do not have to do the addition for the rest of the places. So this is going to give me 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So 5 I will be writing below and carry forwarding 1 to the next column. Now 34 plus 68 gives me 102. 102 plus 11 gives me 113. So 113 I will write here in the next column. Now this gives me 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 4, 5 and 1 plus 3, 4. So 4,56,533 will be the cube of 77, right? Let's find out the cube of 88 and 99 as well. So 88 cube, that means the cube of 8. So 8 cube, which is 512, I'll write in 4 columns. 512. Just taking twice of 512 gives me 1024. 1024. Let's quickly add this. 2 I will be writing below and 51 I will carry forward to the next column. Now 1 plus 2 plus 4 gives me 7 here. Right? So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now quickly I am going to do the addition here of 51 and 102, which gives me 153. 153 plus carry forward 5 gives me 158. Okay, so 51 plus 102, I got 153 plus forwarded 5 I have added here, which is 158. Now 8 plus 2 plus 4. What do we get here? 8 plus 2 plus 4. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry over 1. Carry over 1. Now 1 plus 15 plus 51 plus 102. But we know what do we get? 51 plus 102 gives us 153. And this is 16 I have added. 15 plus 1, 16. So this gives me 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 1, 6 and 1. So 153 plus 16 gives us 169. Let's quickly add this as well. 9 plus 2, 11, carry over 1. 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8 and 6. So 6,81,472 will be the cube of 88. I hope this is so easy for us to understand. Okay. Let's move to the next example and the last example here. 99 cube. Cube of 99, cube of 9 is 729. Here also 7 to 9. Here also we'll be getting 7 to 9 and 7 to 9. Just taking twice of 729. Twice of 7 to 9 gives me 29 twos are 58, 2 sevens are 14. So 1458. And this is 1458. Quickly we will be adding it 9 as it is and 72 I will carry forward to the next column. Now 2 plus 9 plus 8 gives me 19 here, right? Just a minute. Yes. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19. Carry over 1. Now quickly we'll be adding this 70 to 145. So this gives me 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4 or 7 plus 14 is 21. So 217 plus 1 plus 7. That means 8 we have to add. Okay. So 217 plus 8 will be 225. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry over 1. 21 plus 1, 22. Now quickly we'll be adding these two. 8 plus 9 plus 5. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 5 gives me 22. Okay. 22. So carry forward 2 also I'll mention here. Now again 72 plus 145 is 217. 22 plus 2 that means 24 I have to add this time. So 7 plus 4 11, carry over 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4 and 2 as it is. So 241 we will carry forward to the next column. This gives me 241. To the entire column, second column from the leftmost corner gives me 2412. So 2412 I'll forward to the next column. Now 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives me 7 and 7 plus 2, 9. So 9,70,299 will be the cube of 99. Okay. So this way we got the cube of all the number which are ending up which place? Yes, they are ending up, they have the same digit at both the places. I hope you find this so easy and easy to apply, easy to understand as well. So until we do not meet for the next session, you have to keep on practicing. Take care of yourself. Yes, and while practicing, you have to take the help of these methods only so that your confidence will get increased. And of course, you have to like, share, and subscribe my video. Okay. So bye everyone. Take care of yourself.